Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Android TV boxes, uncovering the top 5 picks that are revolutionizing the way we experience entertainment in 2024. Be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more about each device. But before we jump into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and recommendations. Alright, let's kick things off with our number 5 contender, the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. With its advanced streaming capabilities and support for Dolby Vision, this compact yet powerful device is perfect for transforming any regular TV into a smart entertainment hub. All-new Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K streaming device, your gateway to a world of immersive entertainment right at your fingertips. Experience the next generation of our best-selling 4K stick, boasting improved streaming performance for an unparalleled viewing experience. Say goodbye to buffering and lag with Wi-Fi 6 support, ensuring smooth 4K streaming even when multiple devices are connected to your router. Immerse yourself in vibrant 4K Ultra HD with support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+, while enjoying immersive Dolby Atmos audio for a truly cinematic experience right in your living room. With access to over 1.5 million movies and TV episodes, including favorites from popular streaming services like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and more, the entertainment possibilities are endless. Subscription fees may apply. Access over 300,000 free movies and TV episodes from popular ad-supported streaming apps like Fire TV channels, Amazon Freevee, Tubi, and Pluto TV, without any additional cost. As a special offer, receive a 6-month subscription to MGM+, granting you access to thousands of Hollywood movies and original series with your Fire TV purchase. Terms apply. Navigate your entertainment effortlessly with the Alexa voice remote. Quickly find, launch, and control content with simple voice commands. Plus, with preset buttons, accessing your favorite apps is easier than ever. Control TV power and volume seamlessly with one remote. Transform your living space into a smart home hub with the Fire TV Stick 4K. Control compatible devices like cameras, lights, and more with your remote. Simply press and ask Alexa to check the weather or dim the lights, all without leaving your couch. Upgrade your entertainment setup today with the all-new Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K streaming device and unlock a world of endless entertainment possibilities. Next up at number 4, we have the EasyTone T95 Super. Packed with features like 4K support and dual-band Wi-Fi, this Android TV box delivers seamless streaming and gaming experiences, all at an affordable price point. EasyTone Android TV Box 10.0, your ultimate home entertainment companion. Step into the future of home entertainment with the newest Android TV Box 10.0 OS. Powered by the robust All-Winner H3 chip, this TV box offers better software, games, and app compatibility, making it perfect for home theater, entertainment, and even business use. With 2 GB DDR RAM and 16 GB eMMC flash, this Android TV box ensures smoother operation and improved reliability, eliminating crashes caused by insufficient memory. Plus, expand your storage further with an extra hard drive or TF card. Experience stunning 4K visuals with support for 3D and H.265 decoding technology. Enjoy crystal clear picture quality and vibrant colors, bringing your favorite movies, shows, and games to life like never before. Stay connected with built-in 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, ensuring a stable network connection for seamless streaming and browsing. With 2 USB 2.0 ports and wireless USB device connection, you have the flexibility to connect your favorite peripherals. Customize your TV background with ease by changing wallpapers to suit your style. Additionally, share music, photos, and videos from your Android/iOS devices to the big screen and the best speakers using DLNA/AirPlay, delivering the ultimate entertainment experience. Upgrade your home entertainment setup with the EasyTone Android TV Box 10.0 and enjoy endless hours of entertainment right from the comfort of your living room. Moving on to number 3, we have the ON Android TV. Designed for simplicity and functionality, this device offers easy access to a wide range of streaming apps and services, making it a great choice for users of all ages. ONN Android TV 4K UHD streaming device, your gateway to a world of immersive entertainment right from your living room. Experience your favorite content like never before with stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution. Enjoy 4 times the resolution of Full HD for greater clarity and detail, bringing every scene to life in vivid detail. With the Android TV operating system, access the best content and download a plethora of applications available through the Google Play Store. Explore a world of entertainment tailored to your preferences. Take control of your entertainment with ease using the voice remote control. Simply press the Google Assistant button and ask it to find, play, and control your favorite content, making navigation a breeze. Effortlessly cast movies, shows, and photos from your Android or iOS device to your Android TV with Chromecast built in. Enjoy seamless streaming and share your favorite content with friends and family. Get started in no time with easy setup. Access your Google account and configure the device, language, and Wi-Fi network hassle-free so you can start enjoying your favorite content right away. Immerse yourself in crystal-clear audio with enhanced dialogue and increased volume for a more complete audio mix. Enjoy an enhanced audio experience that brings every sound to life. Connect your streaming device directly to your TV's HDMI port with the included HDMI cable. Enjoy hassle-free setup and seamless connectivity without any worries. Compatible with a variety of TV brands including Samsung, Sony, RCA, Vizio, Hisense, TCL, Philips, and Magnavox, ensuring compatibility with your existing setup. Upgrade your entertainment setup with the ONN Android TV 4K UHD streaming device and unlock a world of endless entertainment possibilities right at your fingertips. Coming in at number 2 is the Xiaomi Mi Box S 2nd Gen, boasting 4K Ultra HD streaming, Dolby Atmos support, and a sleek, compact design. This Android TV box delivers a premium entertainment experience without breaking the bank. Xiaomi TV Box S, your ultimate entertainment companion. Immerse yourself in breathtaking detail with 4K Ultra HD image quality. Enjoy crystal-clear visuals that bring every scene to life with vivid clarity and realism. Experience enhanced image quality in any lighting condition with Dolby Vision and HDR10+. Enjoy higher dynamic range, amazing brightness, contrast, and color, as well as more detailed shadows and highlights for a crisper, more immersive viewing experience. Elevate your audio experience with Dolby Atmos and DTS HD technology. Surround yourself with powerful sound effects and extraordinarily high-quality sound, bringing the ultimate cinema experience right into your living room. Experience accelerated performance with the quad-core CPU and high-performance GPU. The 2GB RAM plus 8GB ROM combo ensures smoother viewing experiences, making the Xiaomi TV Box S your new entertainment platform. Discover a world of entertainment with Google TV. Enjoy personalized recommendations based on your preferences and discover new content from across your apps and subscriptions, all organized just for you. Take control of your TV with just your voice using Google Assistant. Simply say, "OK Google," or press the Google Assistant button on the remote to find movies, stream apps, play music, control smart home devices, and more. Access your favorite content quickly and easily from any angle with the intuitive button layout and Bluetooth connectivity. Plus, control power and volume on your TV or soundbar with the built-in IR functionality, all from a single remote. Upgrade your entertainment experience with the Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd Gen and enjoy a seamless blend of stunning visuals, immersive audio, and convenient features for endless hours of entertainment bliss. And finally, at the top of our list, we have the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro. Widely regarded as the ultimate Android TV box, this powerhouse device offers unparalleled performance, 4K HDR streaming, and seamless integration with Google Assistant and Alexa. NVIDIA Shield Android TV Pro Streaming Media Player, your ultimate entertainment hub. Upgrade your entertainment experience with the world's most powerful Android TV streaming media player, now upgraded to Android TV version 11. Enjoy clearer, crisper visuals with next-generation AI upscaling, enhancing HD video in real time to stunning 4K resolution. With 2x USB 3.0 ports, expand your storage, connect USB cameras, keyboards, controllers, and more. Plus, enjoy the convenience of Plex Media Server built-in, along with 3GB RAM and 16GB storage. Bring your home theater to life with Dolby Vision HDR and immersive audio featuring Dolby Atmos and Dolby Digital Plus. Enjoy ultra-vivid picture quality and surround sound that transports you right into the heart of the action. Access the most 4K content of any streaming media player. Watch your favorite shows and movies on Netflix, Amazon Video, Apple TV+, Disney+, and Google Play Movies and TV in crisp 4K HDR. Stream from your phone effortlessly with built-in Chromecast 4K, and enjoy content from YouTube, Hulu, and more in stunning 4K resolution. Experience the ultimate gaming rig with GeForce Now Cloud Gaming. Play over 1,000 plus titles, including nearly 100 of the biggest free-to-play games. Unlock GeForce RTX 3080 gaming servers in 4K HDR with the new GeForce Now RTX 3080 membership, featuring ray tracing and DLSS graphics for supported games. Take control of your entertainment experience with built-in Google Assistant. Access photos, live camera feeds, weather updates, sports scores, and more, all on the big screen. Dim the lights and immerse yourself in your favorite content using only your voice. Plus, control your Shield hands-free with Google Home or Alexa and Amazon Echo for added convenience. Elevate your entertainment to new heights with the NVIDIA Shield Android TV Pro streaming media player. Experience stunning visuals, immersive audio, and seamless integration with your smart home devices for endless hours of entertainment enjoyment. And there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best Android TV boxes in 2024. Whether you're a casual streamer or a hardcore gamer, there's something for everyone on this list. Be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more about each device. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy streaming.